white cloth turning yellow, jeans getting bluer with repeated washing, and towels not absorbing water. These three common issues are likely caused by the use of softeners. Today we are introducing our 3 musketeers, soft film soft beads, and soft essential oil. After watching, you will know which one to use in your factory. Soft film, classic form, widely adaptable process, stable and controllable cost, suitable for traditional batching processes. Soft beads, dissolve faster, friendly to automated production lines, suitable for large-scale efficient production. Soft essential oil, low yellowing delicate feel, preferred for white, light-colored fabrics, suitable for high-end quality lines. When choosing a softener, first consider its ionic property. It can be simply divided into 3 categories. Cationic, it feels the smoothest and repels water, but it has poor hydrophilicity and is prone to yellowing. Weak Cationic, a balanced option, with decent silky smoothness and resistance to yellowing. If you're unsure about what to choose, this is a good recommendation. Non-ionic, best hydrophilicity, moisture resistant to salt and alkali, and never yellowing, preferred for making towels, white cloth and hydrophilic products. Let's review your pain points again. For denim that turns blue after washing, gives choose F3624. Weak Cationic, does not capture indigo, solves the blue-in issue from the source. Yellowing of white fabric gives choose F3625. Sylic low yellowing series, poor hydrophilicity gives choose F3610. Non-ionic hydrophilic, 5-star rating. For hanky yarn process coat, car production gives choose F3634, dissolves at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Sylic has the strongest penetration across the entire series. For friends who work as cowboys, the biggest headache is the return of blue. F3624 is your rescue. Weak Cationic, does not absorb indigo, and the blueness gets less and less with washing. When choosing towels, pay attention to 2 things: whiteness and absorbency. F3610 is non-ionic, fluffy, hydrophilic, and rated 5 stars. It's white towels won't turn yellow. For a more premium feel, you can layer hydrophilic silicone oil F3404. To summarize, Sylic specializes in textile auxiliaries for 12 years, boasts 3 international certifications. Want to try the sample? Reply sample in the comment section or send us a private message. We'll send you one for free, ranging from 100 to 500 grams. I like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to support me.